Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to use ClipDrop Relight. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply search for clipdrop.co on your browser. Then what you should do after that is to click on Tools on the top right side, then go and click on Relight. Then here you should drag and drop your photo or upload it from your PC. I will upload it from my PC, then get to you back. After you upload the photo, it will ask you if you want to download Skillet and continue, or if you want to unlock the HD mode and pay for the Pro. I will go for the option on the left. Then it will show me here this interface. Now we can relight the photo. You can go to presets and use the following presets, just like so. It will actually give you good result, or you can move these things right here, the two sources of the light, and it will change your light inside the photo. You can choose the color. I'll choose green, for example, and it will appear just like so. You can decrease the power, decrease the distance, or increase it just like so. You can also adjust the radius of the source of the color or the source of the light to be more efficient. You can even hide the source of the light if you want to check how does it look. You can delete the source of the light. You can add another source of the light by clicking on this plus icon and have three sources of light instead of one source. Now here, as you can see, you have this source of light in front of the character, and here this source of light is behind the character, and this source of light is also in front of the character. So you should put this into the consideration. Now here inside the photo, I have the main source or the original source of light, which is here the light bulb right here. If you want to adjust it, you can simply go to ambient right here, then adjust it like so. And you can even hide it like so by clicking on this eye icon. You can go also to presets and see more and more options, just like so. And after you finish, just click on download and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.